in this final lesson of a shave and a haircut for Maya, I'm going to show you how to create reusable hairstyles based off of hairs that you've already brushed into position. Okay, so here's a hairstyle that I'm happy with. This is lesson 41, reusing hairstyles. And what I'd like to do is say, all right, let's take this and save it out for another day, maybe a different hairstyle. Well, to do that, all you need to do is select the hair system, go up to Shave, Edit Current, Convert, and you have a couple of options here. Now the first one is the one we're going to use, guide hairs to curves, but you can also take your render hairs and turn them into curves, as well as hairs to polygons. So the hairs to polygons could be useful for a game engine or a non-standard renderer, and hair to curves will be great for something like RenderMan or something where you need to export lots of curves. So we'll choose this guides to curves. There you go. Give it a second. It's going to create a group. I'll rename this to short male hair template. Now I could reuse this over and over and over. Let me move it out of the way so you can see what I've got. There we go. And I'm just going to delete my hairstyle and put down a basic default redhead on this again. So I'll grab my scalp, add my redhead preset. There we go. And I can go in and brush this however I want. Maybe I want to change the scale, and I can make some cuts, so kind of however I want, okay? Or I can take my curve setup here, okay? So let's say I import this in. All right, I'll just set this to the base here, and I already have them all selected, so I'll shift select my hair system or my hair node, and I'll go to Edit Current, Comb Using Curves. And now it's going to go in and actually comb all of that hair. Let me hide this. You can actually delete those curves now if you want. And there you go. That's my same hairstyle that I made earlier with the previous haircut. And that's really a very powerful way of reusing all of this information for, if once you get a really nice hairstyle, you can save out those curves and just create yourself a large library of curves that you can work with. So I want to thank you for purchasing this training kit. Digital Tutors strives to create some, as much informational as well as fun material as possible. I want to personally thank Sunder Iyer, who is our head of R&D here at Digital Tutors, who's done a tremendous amount of work with Shave and Haircut. And I also want to thank Joe Alter for allowing us to take so much of his time while we were putting together this training kit. He has developed an incredible plugin, and if this training kit hasn't inspired you to try it out, you might visit his website where he's got some beautiful gallery images. I do want to put a plug for our second hair and shave and a haircut training kit, which is the actual practical guide, which is very in-depth. We're going to start off where we left off here in this training kit and go right into the techniques of doing an animated character, as well as a number of other future titles for styling shave and haircut hairstyles. So thank you very much for being part of our Digital Tutors family, and I'll see you in the next training kit.